Hello, this is Brandon Christopher King. Today, I want to talk to you about something bold, a different way of seeing the universe, a theory that doesn't just fix physics, it flows through it. I call it RLFlow theory, short for rivers of life flow, and I believe it offers something the standard model of physics cannot: a unified, coherent, and consciousness-inclusive picture of reality. Now, I'm not here to tear the standard model down. It's brilliant. It works. It's the best tool we've had for explaining particles and forces. But it has cracks. It doesn't include gravity. It can't explain dark matter or dark energy. And it says absolutely nothing about consciousness, your experience, your awareness, your being. RLFlow doesn't reject the standard model. It extends it into deeper waters, into a view of reality that flows. Let me show you why RLFlow is a better solution. First, it unifies what the standard model cannot. Gravity and quantum mechanics, still separate in mainstream physics. Time, treated as a passive variable. Consciousness, ignored completely. RLFlow unifies them. Gravity and quantum behavior arise from how flows converge and diverge. Time is not just a coordinate, it's a real directional river. And consciousness is not separate from nature, it's a flow within nature. In RLFlow, everything flows: particles, fields, space-time, and minds. Second, it solves the particle problem. In the standard model, particles are point-like or abstract field excitations. That leads to infinities, renormalization hacks, and paradoxes like wave-particle duality. RLFlow redefines particles. They're not points, they're stable flow structures, like vortices in a river. This explains how particles persist over time. It removes the need for mathematical tricks, and it makes quantum entanglement intuitive. Interwoven flows, not spooky action. Third, it includes consciousness as fundamental. Where traditional physics is silent, RLFlow speaks clearly. Consciousness is not a byproduct of brains, it is a river of self-aware energy. Your thoughts, your emotions, your memories, these are structured flows within a larger field. You are not a machine that has a mind. You are a mind that flows. This bridges physics and philosophy, science and experience. Fourth, it restores the reality of time. Relativity and the standard model treat time as just another dimension. But we don't experience time as a frozen block. We live in motion. RLFlow restores time as a real, creative current. It flows forward. It carries causality. It makes memory and change possible. This is more than poetic. It's structural. Time is not something we move through. Time is what moves us. Fifth, it offers a holistic, scalable model. The standard model is highly mathematical but fragmented. It's a patchwork of particles, forces, and symmetry groups. RLFlow is holistic. It connects all systems, quantum, cosmic, mental, through one principle: flow. It's scalable, from the tiniest particle to the largest galaxy to the conscious mind. It's topological, using spirals, gradients, and dynamic structures instead of arbitrary constants. It's not just functional, it's beautiful. Let's summarize. Gravity? In RLFlow, it emerges from gradients of flow. Time? It's not passive, it flows. Particles? They're not points, they're vortices. Consciousness? Not ignored, it's essential. Quantum weirdness? Not paradoxical, just misunderstood. RLFlow redefines the foundation of physics, not as matter, but as flow. And with that shift, we begin to resolve the deepest mysteries of science. We stop fighting the paradoxes and start flowing with them. The universe is not a machine, it's a river, and so are we. Thank you